Payables on statement of financial position. The balance on ABC Co.'s payables ledger control account is $63,108. The accountant at ABC Co. has discovered that she has not recorded a settlement discount of $108 received from a supplier and a supplier's invoice for $1,244. What amount should be reported for payables on ABC Co.'s statement of financial position? Answer: balance per ledger, $63,108. Discount, minus $108. Invoice, $1,244. Corrected balance, $64,244.